I've only owned one convertible in my life. That's 2000.
Oh baby, that man of taste. It's so cool when it operates too. It's like a little orchestra. This is to drive me to Half Moon and buy me some ice cream. Well, why are they get a convertible?
What's going on?
What's up?
Another week?
Another day, another dollar. Only so much time in the calendar.
Yeah,
you know?
we got to get the other ones cleaned up.
We'll just
too.
go over the exciting stuff for you guys today.
We got a 2014 SLK350 Roadster, black. These things were legends, right? It's only got 47,000 kilometers. Black on black, I believe.
Yeah, a little bit of curb on the wheels there.
Slight little dimple there that we got to get pulled.
Saw that.
Look at
These
this
things
thing.
are great though. I had one of these, the older model of 2011. Great little car. Everyone says they want a convertible until you take the wife out and then messes up her hair. And, oh, why just keep the roof up? I'm like, well, why did they get a convertible?
I remember seeing these back in the day, and like every single one that passed by, I would look. You'd rubberneck it, right? Because it's just an iconic, beautiful car here. So this one, 47,000 kilometers, 30,991.
A really reliable engine too. This was I believe the 276. This was the direct injection V6. It made lots of power. And it's a 7-speed transmission, which was, again, very reliable. Pointing towards that?
Oh, yeah.
There it is.
It's been sitting in a garage because they barely
It's
drive
so
it,
cool
right?
when it operates too. It's like a little orchestra.
Yeah, this customer traded in 2 vehicles, a GLK and this on a new car, right?
Some downsizing.
Downsizing because don't need 2 vehicles. Oh, man.
Yeah, very cool. Yeah, cool little feature. It's
Yeah, so when the top's down, it's in a chillier night. The air scarf will blow hot air down your neck and your back to keep you warm.
usually it's you blowing hot air around here.
Yeah, this thing's awesome, man. I've only owned one convertible in my life. That's 2000.
Oh baby, that man of taste.
Oh my goodness. I think we literally got to take this one for a spin.
This one, the girls would like this. You know, come
would.
home, take MJ for a little drive.
Yeah.
It's not going to sell today, is it?
Well, we got 2 people working on it right now.
Oh, well,
Barbies
never
is
mind.
trying to work on it, and I think Dirk is working on it right now too.
It rips too.
Well, I bet, right?
Yeah. Want to drive me to Half Moon and buy me some ice cream, Jordan? This is to drive me to Half Moon and buy me some ice cream.